take a look at problem number 23. It says determine the equation of line in slope-intercept form that contains the point -7, -5, and 4, 6. This is finding an equation of the line containing 2 points. That I can spell. Containing 2 points. There we go. Now step 1. We want to find m using the following formula. M is equal to y2 minus y1 over x2 minus x1. Now, this is our first point, so I'll label this as x1, y1. This is our second point, so I'll label that as x2, y2. It actually doesn't matter which one you specify as your first point, it'll give you the same answer. Usually tell people, until they get comfortable with this, to always go through and put parentheses where your variables are. Well, y2 we said was 6. y1 we said is -5. x2 is 4. And x1 is -7. So we got a negative, parentheses negative, that becomes a positive. So we got 6 plus 5 over minus parentheses minus becomes a plus, 4 plus 7. 6 plus 5 is 11, 4 plus 7 is 11, so that gives us 1. And that's M. Now step 2. Plug in either point for x and y, and M from step 1 into y equals mx plus b, and solve for b. Okay. Now, I say either point, whichever one looks easiest to you. This 4, 6 looks a little easiest because it doesn't have any negatives. And the 4s are x and the 6s are y. So I'll put 6 in for y. M from step 1 we said was 1, and we said x was 4 plus b. And then we want to solve for b. Well, 1 times 4 is 4. And then take the 4 over the left side, becomes a -4. Anytime you take anything across equals, the sign changes. And then 6 minus 4 gives us 2. Third step, write your answer. When it's wanting slope-intercept form, it's wanting y is equal to mx plus b. So we'll plug in what we just found. We said m was 1, and we said b was 2. So our answer is y is equal to x plus 2, which is B as in Bill. Let's check that. It's 23B. Yep. Now some of you may have learned out a little differently. You may have learned using the point slope form to do that, and that's fine. I used to teach both. I used to teach the slope-intercept form and the point slope form. Until one semester I had a student from Japan. He asked me why I was teaching the point slope form. And I told him, well, you needed both depending upon what the problem looked like. And he proceeded to prove to me you could do everything with the one formula. And I don't like one formula that works 100% of the time. So that's why I teach it this way.